this is Rohit Sikka here, and you guys are watching us on Education Station's YouTube channel, and we guys are on Facebook and Instagram as well. So you guys can follow us over there. So as you can see, we are standing in front of National College today. तो आपको आज पता लग गया होगा that I will be showing you the campus tour of National College, and you will be meeting with the director of National College as well, who will put some light on programs of National College and what is the fee and what will be the facilities if you guys will be studying in National College. So if you guys are looking for an option to study in Montreal, then this is a good option, this is a good opportunity to apply in National College, as this college is located in downtown Montreal and it is giving you a lot of facilities, a lot of bursaries, and there are many more things which they are adding into their programs. I think the economy and the countries are reviving from COVID scenario. तो इंडिया में भी हालात अब सुधर रहे हैं एंड कनाडा में भी सुधर रहे हैं, एंड जब तक आप यहाँ पे आओगे फॉर सितंबर इनटेक everything will be fine. So we are recruiting students for May, July and September intake right now. So May, July और September intake open है अभी भी. May for onshore students के लिए open है, तो आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो यहाँ पे. We have our office in Jalandhar and Amritsar in India, so you guys can go there and you guys can talk about National College, and our team will help you to get admission in National College. We guys are in Montreal as well, so if you want to come in Montreal, so you have your consultant who is living in Montreal and who has office in Montreal, so you will get pretty good help over here as well. So guys, join me and I will show you the tour of National College, the campus of National College. Hello sir, how are you? Hi. So as you can see, we are at the reception of National College, and there will be somebody over here always to help you guys. If you need any questions, you can come over here. This is the administration department. Hello.
Hello.
And you will be over here, you will be looking at your documents, so you can come over here, you can join them and they will give you any kind of documents if you need. You will be depositing your fee over here as well. I will show you some classrooms as well. So there is a big classroom in front. So as you can see, there are a capacity of 40 to 60 students. You can see a huge campus in front. This is another classroom over here you can show. So the same structure of the class and same size as well. So guys, on the right side, I have a computer lab over here which is yet to be established. So guys, this was a 360 rotation of the college. So हम दोबारा से घूम के रिसेप्शन पे आए हैं. We have recreational room in front. So यहाँ पे आप अपना ब्रेक टाइम पे आके बैठ सकते हैं, अपना लंच कर सकते हैं. You can see this is a huge space. We already have a ping-pong table over here, and I think we are gonna start our classes, in-person classes, from September onwards in the college. So guys, this was the campus tour of National College, and I think we have covered the entire part, but we have not shown you all the classes because all the classes are same, right? So this will be your college where you will be studying in the coming months. So अभी हम चलते हैं डायरेक्टर के पास. हम डायरेक्टर से पूछेंगे, कुछ क्वेश्चंस करेंगे, और आप भी कमेंट बॉक्स पे कमेंट करना कि आपको क्या क्वेश्चंस हैं नेशनल कॉलेज के बारे में या मॉन्ट्रियल के बारे में. तो हम आपको सारे के सारे आंसर्स कमेंट बॉक्स पे रिप्लाई हम आपको करेंगे. और अभी हम बेसिक क्वेश्चंस नेशनल कॉलेज के बारे में कॉलेज के डायरेक्टर से पूछेंगे कि यहाँ की फीस स्ट्रक्चर क्या है, कोर्सेज कौन से हैं, और क्या एक्सपोजर या क्या हमें फैसिलिटीज़ मिलेंगी टू बीइंग ए स्टूडेंट इन नेशनल. सो लेट्स जॉइन गाइस.